Cybersecurity is one of the most critical aspects of our lives today. With our increasing reliance on technology, it's essential to understand how to protect ourselves from the ever-evolving threats in the digital world. Many beginners face misconceptions, thinking cybersecurity is only for tech-savvy individuals or large corporations. But the truth is, anyone can be a victim of cybercrime. Beginners often feel overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information available online. It's crucial to separate fact from fiction and understand the basics. Cybersecurity isn't just about protecting devices and data. It's about safeguarding your identity, finances, and personal safety. First and foremost, using strong passwords is crucial. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters, and consider using a password manager. Recognizing phishing attempts is essential. Be cautious with unfamiliar links and verify the authenticity of the sender. Keeping your software up to date is vital. Enable automatic updates and regularly check for patches to prevent cyber attacks. Be aware of your online activities. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions and use two-factor authentication whenever possible. In 2013, Target suffered a massive data breach due to a phishing email. This breach highlights the importance of simple security measures like employee education. Cracking the cybersecurity code is about developing good habits and being aware of your online activities. Thanks for watching, and share your cybersecurity experiences in the comments below. For more tech tips and cybersecurity advice, be sure to check out my other videos.